Sharp paint lines, clean removal with little to no edge residue for up to 14 days on the job, and dependable outdoor performance are just a few of the attributes that make 3M UV-resistant green masking tape the premier choice for industrial masking applications. This masking tape offers a cost-effective solution that saves on cleanup time and reduces the need for reworking. "3M UV-resistant green masking tape is a crepe paper tape that maintains performance while offering 14 days of UV resistance. The tape withstands temperatures up to 175 degrees for up to 30 minutes. 3M UV Green has clean removal from most surfaces with little to no edge residue for up to 14 days after application. Easy unwind and hand tearability ensure a smooth and hassle-free application every time. This product can also conform to irregular surfaces while delivering crisp paint lines. 3M UV-resistant green masking tape can be used for both indoor and outdoor applications, including bundling, sealing, paint masking, and surface protection. This product is available from 12 mm wide to 96 mm wide. We hope you enjoyed learning more about 3M UV green masking tape. For additional information on this or any other product, please call one of our product specialists at 1-800-850-3338 or send us an email at sales@tb-philly-inc-dba-tbp-converting.com. From all of us at TBP Converting, we look forward to working with you.
This video is for demonstration purposes only. Please contact your sales representative for more information.